Right, it's late June and we've just come to the Bocce court and weeded it because although some of the hollows have been filled in by a tractor, nobody has weeded around inside where they obviously have the boards around the side of the Bocce court. They're not sunk to stop the grass or weeds going underneath. And roughly an hour it's taken us all together to clear the weeds and then sweep it gently and take all the bits and pieces, the rubbish off when children play in here. And the reason they're playing here, they think it's a sand pit, but it should have a 2.5 foot little fence around it with gates that side and 2 benches under the pergola there with a table, so when the Bocce players come here they've got like a little meeting place to have their coffee and drinks. And the Sicilian players, who mainly play on this Bocce court now, we can have a game with them. They're the experts, but before Christmas, when I was coming up here, I happened to see them playing and they invited me to play a few games, which I thought was very kind, until their full team came, and I just watched them for a while. But and then we helped, or I helped rather, make sure that the course was levelled a bit, because down the end it had been sunk and big stones come up, whether that was poorly laid in the first place or whether it was children digging it like a sandpit. Anyway, it's been restored. It's not 100% perfect, but it's 99% better than what it was when we arrived this morning. So we're going to play a game, and we're not going to let you watch us because we're not very good, which you would probably agree. But that's the latest update about the Bocce court. I'd like to say bye bye and thank you for watching.